Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome back to Appa's Kai Suvai. Today's recipe is gobi manchurian. Lot of us like gobi but not sure how to make perfectly at home. Today we will show you how to make gobi manchurian at home perfectly as we get in hotels. Let's see the ingredients now. Corn flour 80 grams, maida 60 grams, soya sauce 2 teaspoon, pepper powder 1 teaspoon, chili sauce 1 teaspoon, ginger 1 inch, green chilies 2 numbers, garlic 1 whole, onion 1 medium size, chili powder 2 teaspoons, cauliflower 1 medium size. In a bowl, add chopped cauliflowers, required amount of warm water, salt and turmeric, and mix the water and leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, drain the water and keep the cauliflowers aside. Now let's see the marinade process. Add quarter teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, corn flour, maida, add required amount of water and mix all the ingredients well. Now add salt as per your taste and bring the mixture to a batter consistency. Add 2 pinch of food color and mix the mixture. Now add cauliflowers. Mix well with the mixture and let the cauliflowers marinate for 30 minutes. Once the cauliflowers are marinated, add required amount of oil in a pan and deep fry the cauliflowers till it turns golden brown and crispy. Now let's see the sauce preparation process. Take required amount of oil in a pan, add finely chopped garlic, ginger, green chilies, onion, and saute the ingredients. Once all the ingredients turns golden brown, add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, salt to taste, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder. This chili powder and pepper powder is optional. If you need more spicy, you can add this, or you can exclude this from the sauce process. Add 1 cup of water, half a teaspoon of sugar, Mix well and get the sauce to boiling consistency. Once the sauce starts boiling, add 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup to give tangy flavor to the dish. Now add half cup of cornstarch water and let the sauce become thick. Once the sauce turns thick, add fried cauliflowers and mix the cauliflowers well with the sauce. Garnish the dish with chopped coriander leaves. Now our hotel style gobi manchurian is ready to serve. Hope you all like the videos. Do subscribe, like and share, and click on the bell button to get instant notification whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.